One of the really efficient ways of providing liquidity on the DEX is to use Minswap's feature called Zap-In. Now, this is a really efficient way of providing assets to the platform. Let's say you only have ADA, and when you're providing liquidity to a pool, you need to have both of those assets. So normally you would have to buy some of asset B, let's say it's Min token, and have an equivalent amount, and then provide them into that particular pool so that you can provide liquidity. And you have to provide those two assets. Now that's a little bit cumbersome because you have to buy some of asset B and then put them together into the liquidity pool, and that will take you at least 2 transactions. But you can do that all in one transaction, and that is called a Zap-In, where it would automatically sell some of asset A, let's say it's ADA, or asset B, and then provide it into the liquidity pool all in one go. Let me show you how to do this. So let's get over to the Minswap DEX here. I'm under the liquidity tab, which is under earn. So earn liquidity. On the right-hand side here, you have a thing called Zap-In. I'm going to click on that. And from here, I can zap in any liquidity token I want into any of the liquidity pool tokens. So from here, I can zap in any token I want, let's say ADA, to any liquidity pool that's on the platform. So let me type in 5 ADA, for example, and then here I can choose which asset I want to move into. Now in previous videos, you may have seen that I've got some Min tokens, I've got SNEC, I've got some IAG. Let's say I want to do this for USDM, some stable coins. So here now I can click on USDM. Now normally I would have to sell some ADA for USDM and have the equivalent amount. So 3.21 USDM worth as well. In this case, I'm just using this. I'm selling half of this and zapping it into this particular liquidity pool. So here is the transaction. That looks really quick and easy to do. So I'll click on Zap now, type in my password, sign and submit. That's it. That quick and easy to get into a particular liquidity pool in one transaction. Really, really efficient way of doing it. So hopefully you found that video useful as well. I've got a lot more videos here that you should go through, all about Minswap DEX, all the different features. So make sure you watch all of them as well.